As the two planes close in on each other, the tanker's boom operator prepares for action. And as if the thought of flying directly behind another plane at 7,500 meters wasn't terrifying enough, it turns out the super galaxy's vast size throws off the aerodynamics of the tanker.
If you imagine the air rushing over our nose, it's actually pushing up on the tanker.
Yeah.
So every time we go up or down, they have to react to it.
The planes are now so close to each other that our super galaxy creates a bow wave that the tanker plane has to ride. But in turn, the jet wash from the tanker creates turbulence that affects our plane's huge tail.
Oh, God.
That noise from overhead is where the hatches opened up, ready to receive the probe. And you feel it vibrating through the flight deck.
We're about to attempt docking, and Captain Koresh is giving way to Captain Alex Jensen. She's just upgraded to aircraft commander, but hasn't connected to a tanker like this one for over 6 months.
Welcome. All right, you ready to get one pilot? Ready. Go. One of the hardest things is handing off aircraft control. It's just really hard when it starts tossing you around. Just wrecking our vertical stabilizer right now. That's the buffeting you feel.
So just the time when you need most precision, it's hardest to fly.
Exactly.
Top 10 list of insane things I've ever been involved in doing. This is number 1.
My heart's in my mouth, along with a few other major organs.
Throttle, 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 throttle. Check altitude.
You can see the APU exhaust, so we start to lose that down to 50 feet. Hold the closure.
That clunk was us connected. We are now 1. I have to keep telling myself this is not a game. This is real. These guys are doing this for real.